Hey guys, Alex here. So in this quick video, I want to walk you through the bundling option of using what we call information products in the products that you sell on Amazon. So I'm going to show you how you can add immense value at pretty much little or no cost. So how you can increase the product that you sell on Amazon by even 20, 30, even 50%, even 100%, even 100%, yes, by adding what we call an information product to the product you sell on Amazon, right? So we'll be back in a second. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. So how do we go about increasing the product that we sell on Amazon, right? So as you can sort of see here on my screen, I've got this blender up, right? So I've just typed into, I went to Amazon.com, I've typed up blender. Yeah, I'm just gonna scroll through the listings. You see here, they've got a blender, beautiful green juice. Doesn't that look nice? All those berries and all that. Look at that. How healthy is that? I would love to have that in the morning, right? Beautiful blender, you know, they've got ice in there, strawberries, right? Looks nice, blender, blender, blender. You notice they all look the same, right? All look the same, blender, blender, blender. Except when you come down here, boom, what is this? It's a Nutra Ninja book, right? They're actually including some sort of ebook. It's probably, or even a physical book, right? Let's scroll down here, right? You've got beautiful fresh fruits, vegetables. They're making carrot juice there, right? And let's keep scrolling down. Oh, what's this? Another book, Our Cook Blender. So it's basically a book showing people how to go about making the perfect blend, making the perfect soup, right? Now guess what? Some of these books aren't actually physical books. They're what we call ebooks, right? So they're sent to you via an email. It's basically an attachment. They send you an email. It doesn't cost them anything, right? So they can send this out 1,000 times on email. You know what the costs are to send an ebook via email? It's zero, right? So you can actually either write a book. So if you're selling, for example, you know, a blender or a soup maker, right? You know, what are the 10 best soups you can make with the product? What are the 10 best, healthiest smoothies you can make? What are the seven healthiest juice recipes you can make? And you can actually include that ebook with the sale of your Amazon product, and the cost to you is actually zero. You just got to write the book, or what we call make or buy the rights to that book, right? The resale rights for that book, and you can actually sell that on Amazon, and you can actually inflate your price by an increased amount, right? 20, 30, even 50 or 100%, right? So if you're selling a normal blender, the blender might be, you know, as you can sort of see here, you know, 24 bucks, right? But if you include a book of that, you can probably include it be $39.95, right? You can include it pretty much be anything. So there's a lot of advantages to including information products with your product, all right? So yeah, big, huge, and it makes you stand out. If everyone else is just selling a blender or a soup maker or whatever they're selling, right? And you're including an ebook, right? It makes you stand out. So this could be anything. Fitness products, right? So the top 10 ways of getting a flat belly, or a washboard stomach, right? Or a six-pack abs, right? So if you have a fitness product. If you have a pet product, it could be the 7 ways to train your dog never to bark again, right? Or 7 ways to make sure your cat doesn't tear up your lounge, right? You can include ebooks for pretty much every product out there, right? There's so many products out there that you can include an information book with, which doesn't cost you anything, but it can increase the price of your product. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you on another video. And by the way, also, if you're looking to get something started on Amazon and you're looking for help, guidance, give us a call, and the number's on the screen right here. I would love to work with you. I would love to help you. I would love to help you find, you know, products like this and show you not only how to find hot selling products that are actually doing really well, but actually how to sell them as well on Amazon. Have a great, fantastic day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.